Namaskar, Om Namah Shivaya. Today I want to make a video on a burning issue, how to improve the economic activity. I wanted to make these videos a long time back. It took me a lot of time to come to a conclusion that I have to make these videos on the economic development, how to improve the economy under this COVID situation. So to start with, I will make a small videos which will help all the public or people to look at these videos whenever they find some time. So I am bringing these videos under the title called Economic Dose, because it is a time wherein everybody is talking about dose 1, dose 2. So I have titled it as Economic Dose. So herein I am going to discuss about the facts. So let us try to understand the facts first. So first and foremost is, when we say that economy of the country is low, that doesn't mean we have a shortage of money or a fund. See, for example, say before COVID, we had 100 lakh crores in our country. Even today we have got 100 lakh crores. So it doesn't mean that we do not have a money in the country. Because of that, the economic slowdown has started. This is only the money flow has been deviated because of the situation. The people who were first spending lot of money on the other activities now started giving a lot of importance to mainly the health issues. So they have spent lot of money for health perspective. Lot of people have bought the health insurance. So that is why the flow of money has been deviated from the naturally what it used to be for last 20-25 years. So for the second point here, what I am going to discuss is that, just to give an example how this has impacted some industries. For some industries it has not been impacted at all. Rather, some people or some industries have made huge money unethically also. So to give us say two examples, one is, see, the temple has got many activities surrounding the temple, the small business. So because there is no activity, there is no temples, as the temples are not opened, there is no activity surrounding or supporting the temple activities. And second, there are many. I will discuss everything in an elaborated form. Now, just to give an introduction, so I am discussing these one or two examples. Mainly the cab drivers, the auto drivers, because of there are no schools, no BPOs, no IT companies, many huge industry. Even though many individuals were owning their cabs, so they used to support the IT companies, BPOs and the schools. Now, as these are all shut down, the cab or a transportation has been completely stopped. So these are the things which we need to consider, to have the fact check first. Then we can suggest the government how to go about it. If government can listen, well and good. And the main purpose of these videos is to bring knowledge about the economic and tax laws. I am not going to talk about more technically. I want to educate the public at large, so that they can talk sensibly when they talking within the family or with friends or in the society level also, and they can take a better understanding, or they can suggest somebody else also. So I will surely discuss many things in my coming videos. So next video we will discuss many more things. नारायण। माँ भारती सबकी रक्षा करे।